All right. So now that we've got the employee tips accumulating, when it comes time to process payroll, I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to go to my employee. And this is also where that external system that you're using will come in handy, because when we're looking at our other current liability, now I've just got one employee set up, Jane Smith. So if we're pretending that she's the only server that we have at our location, which we probably need to hire more because that'd be a lot of work for one person. But we would be able to see for a week or 2 weeks, whatever our pay period is, those tips accumulating for that period of time. So, and it looks like I've got 2 receipts that are the same day. So let me just adjust this one here. We'll make this one 9/18 so that we have one for each day. Okay, so those tips are going to be accumulating, and I've just got this for, the 16th through the 19th. We would also, based on our payroll period, potentially have a summary sales receipt for each day within that period. So we want to make sure that we get that recorded in QuickBooks first. And then whatever the total is for that payroll period, right? So if our payroll runs the 16th through the 29th or the 9th through the 22nd, whatever it is, that we also run a report from that other system. Usually they'll have an employee tips report that we can run that'll have the breakout not only of what the total should be for that period, but also the total by employee. That's important because when we go to write checks, right, or enter our payroll, or if we're using an outside payroll provider, like ADP or Paychex, et cetera, we want to be able to properly report what tips are payable to which employees so that we can make sure that we're allocating those correctly.